Hey, what's up, everybody? Danny here, and making sure my mic is on. So anyway, welcome to this video. This video, I'm going to be covering the book that I've been working on for a couple months now to get on the Amazon Kindle marketplace. So Project Management for Beginners, my book, is now live. It's my first self-published, personally branded ebook. I've been in the Kindle publishing space for about 5 years now, and I had some great successes doing ghost publishing and niche publishing in nonfiction, fiction markets. But really, it's been a big dream, a big goal of mine to really publish a book of my own. And so I'm really excited that it's live now, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So if I search for the primary keyword in the Amazon Kindle store search bar, I can find Project Management for Beginners. That's the term that I'm targeting, and it is on the first page. It's not on at the top. There are some sponsored ads here that if you're running paid advertisements on the Kindle platform, you can take advantage of targeting certain keyword results. But basically, if you scroll down a little bit, as of today, July 5th, 2018, it is on the first page here. So it is a little down here, and you can see the cover is it's white. It's got a professional looking look. However, and I got this feedback from doing some cover, I guess feedback from different Facebook groups that provided some feedback. One thing that probably you'll notice compared to some of these other ones is that it doesn't stick out as much. It's white. It kind of blends in. There's no real border on the sides here. Even though it looks professional and clean, and this is something I would probably put on my website, but on the marketplace here, it's not going to get a whole lot of maybe attention unless, of course, you're looking for you're a minimalist like me, and you're looking for that particular type of book. So just keep that in mind if you're making book covers. You want something that kind of pops out. I did this to just see how it performs, and I do have a secondary cover that is a little bit more, I won't say preferable as far as the overall aesthetic feel. I've gotten some comments on it that says it basically looks a little bit kind of scammy. I know it's not a good way to kind of brand yourself, but if you're trying to get downloads, you have to kind of test it out and see. So for that one, I think I have that one here. Let's see, cover. I'm just searching in my projects here that create ebook. Okay, so I had different projects here that okay, it's all archived. So anyway, I'll just go back to the Kindle store, and I'll show you. I can show that another time as far as what the other covers look like. But what I'm looking at here is now that it's published, I can see I published at $2.99. Majority of books, especially in the nonfiction kind of genre, are usually price point around that $2.99, sometimes 99-cent. Price point. But really, my goal here is not to make, a job, replacement, from my salary replacement from this book. This is mainly a brand awareness tool. And that's something that is a different kind of mindset, than when you're doing niche publishing. When I was doing niche publishing, I was trying to get a lot of volume, a lot of high volume sales, because the price point as far as is so low, and the margin, the profit that you get is so low. You really need to have a whole lot of downloads in order to make it substantial, right? Or at least, if you're doing the fiction, maybe a lot of Kindle Unlimited reads to boost your bottom line. But for here, I'm really just kind of saying, trying to put myself out here as, an authority on the subject matter. I mean, I've been working in project management in the software space for well over a decade, and so a lot of the things that I've applied, I'm brought into this book to kind of help other people that are solopreneurs and leveraging some best practices on personal productivity and focus and just getting things done. So anyway, that's a little shameless plug for the book, but I mean, when you publish your book, you're gonna go into the book listing here, and you can preview it. You can just click on the cover, and it'll give you kind of like a little browser preview. You can scroll through it and kind of see if does this look acceptable to you if you're going to be a potential reader and go to this page. Is this something that's going to want make your potential reader want to learn more, buy the book, or borrow it if they're in KU? So definitely take advantage of this real estate, and it's something that I probably have to go back and optimize. Even though I've been doing this for years, it's something you always want to keep pay attention to. Okay, so that is kind of a preview for my book, and really what I'm excited to do now is to take the steps that I've used in other book projects in the past and apply them to this. And so some of those revolve around, like I said, testing out different ebook covers to see how they perform, but also leveraging some really cool tools to help me promote. Now, if you're brand new to marketing or online business in general, then chances are you're not a marketing expert. And I've been at this for 5 years, and I'm still don't consider myself a marketing expert. I definitely have learned a lot over the years and have had some great successes. But here's the thing: like, there are tools out there to help you promote your ebooks without having to have a whole lot of market reach and without having to have a big budget for advertising. And so there's a tool called KDROI. It's developed by an entrepreneur by the name of Wesley Atkins. And I've used that in addition to his other Chrome plugin, which is called KD Spy, that helps you look at potential keywords that you'd like to use. So here I'm clicking on the icon in my browser. You can see KD Spy load here, and it will give you some features. You can enable some tracking, a lot of cool things that you can do with it. It's something I've tried a bunch of different tools out there. This is definitely one I keep coming back to. Each and every time I work on a book, and I also have my virtual assistant leverage these tools as well. So if you're looking to really amplify your results, make sure you document your process, or share if you bought a Kindle course, you're sharing those steps that you'd like your virtual assistant to do, so that you can free up time and create more books or create more courses or work on your website, whatever it might be. You can free up your time to focus on other higher value add items. So I don't have KD ROI in my Google plugins list here, but I want to do that. And in a future video, I'll show you exactly how you can leverage a tool like KD ROI to launch your book on a free promotion and publish them to websites free websites that basically are promoting for you. So they're going to promote your book, your free book, to their email lists and on their platforms, so that you can get more traffic. And here's where the magic really happens: is that the more traffic you get on your book, even if it's for free, again, that's a brand builder. You're looking to establish yourself as a brand. And one of the things that when it comes to brand awareness and sales is that people that see you for the first time are most likely not going to buy from you. And that's okay. I mean, it really depends on your price point and the way that you've put your brand out there. But really, it takes a couple touch points, a couple times for them to see you pop up here and there on different places online before they click in their head and they say, man, well, this person is definitely, seems like they have, that authority. They know what they're talking about. This is what they do. And they're more willingly going to want to purchase from you or make that transaction with you down the road as you build that authority and that trust with your potential readers, your potential customers. So anyway, real quick look at my book. It's live now. It's $2.99. I'm going to be launching it on a free promotion. So if you are interested in getting a free copy of this book, go ahead and just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll let you know when it is free. and go ahead and ding the bell for notifications so that you get notifications on videos like this on YouTube, or wherever you are at. I'm going to be publishing this on YouTube and Facebook. So using Ecamm Live. So I really love that software. But I'm going to be publishing this. So if you are watching this on YouTube, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ding the bell for notifications. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share it if you know that there are other people out here that could benefit from, whether it's the book that I just wrote or potentially, a video to help them with their online publishing. So anyway, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.